Good morning, dear student. Class 4, subject Math. Open page number 27. Exercise 3.1. Complete our question 1, which is write the following in Roman numerals. In this question, we teach about how to change Hindu Arabic number into the Roman numbers. Okay. Today we will solve question 2. Firstly, we read out question 2. Write the following in Hindu Arabic numerals. Write the following in Hindu Arabic numerals. In this question, we will teach how to change Roman numbers into the Hindu Arabic numbers. This question opposite to the question 1. Okay, let's start question number 2. Already write it question number 2 on this paper. First, we use the symbols. Every symbols convert into the Hindu Arabic number and then add the numbers. Okay. Firstly, we know that which symbol denote which number. Okay, L is the symbol of 50. Okay, L is the symbol of 50. Then X is the symbol of 10, and last it is 3. Convert the Roman numbers into the Hindu Arabic number. 50 plus 10 plus 3. Add those numbers. The answer is 63. The answer is 63. Okay. L, 50, X, 10, and this is 3. 50 plus 10 plus 3 equal to the 63. Okay. Next, same as X, the symbol of 10, C, the symbol of 100, and last the symbol of 6. Ten, 100 and 6. Add the numbers. 10 plus 100 plus 6 equal to 116. Okay. C, D and 5. According to the rule, when larger Roman number placed value after the smaller Roman number, then we subtract larger Roman. Always larger number subtract smaller number, subtract from the larger number. We know that D is the symbol of 500 and C is the symbol of 100. So 500 minus 100. Then add, this is the symbol of 5. 500 minus 100, 400 plus 5, 405. Okay. These are Roman number rules. Then complete C, D. This is the larger number and the remaining numbers which is the smaller number. So add the all numbers because first number is larger and the remaining numbers is smaller. Then add all the Roman numbers. 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9. Okay, 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9. Add these numbers: 100 plus 10, 110, 110, 120, 120 plus 10, 130 plus 9, 139. So the answer is 139. Okay, next E, D, C, L. Okay, this is the larger number, then just smaller, and then just smaller. So add the numbers. First, D is the symbol of 500, C is the symbol of 100, and L is the symbol of 50. D is the symbol of 500, C is the symbol of 100, and L is the symbol of 50. Then add these number: 500 plus 100, 600, 600 plus 50, 650. So the answer is 650. Okay. Firstly, we convert the Roman digit into the Hindu Arabic digit, then apply the rule, Roman number rule, and then find the answer. Okay, so the E answer is 650. Next is F, C, 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 L, X, X. C larger than L, and L which is larger than X. Okay, so add the Roman numbers. Firstly, convert into the Hindu Arabic digit. C, which is symbol of 100, again C, again, then L, which is symbol of 50, then X, which is symbol of 10, then again X. Okay, 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 10. Then add the numbers: 100 plus 100, 200, 200 plus 100, 300, 300 plus 50, 350 plus 10, 360 plus 10, 370. 100 plus 100, 200, 200 plus 100, 300 plus 50, 350 plus 10, 310, then 360, then 370. So the answer is 370. Okay, the answer is 370. Complete F. Next is G. Firstly, change into the Hindu Arabic digit. Same as D is the symbol of 500, C is the symbol of 100, again C, and this is the symbol of 3. D is the symbol of 100, 500, C is the symbol of 100, again C is the symbol of 100, and last this is the symbol of 3. Now add the numbers: 500 plus 100, 600, 600 plus 100, 700 plus 3, 703. So the answer is 703. Okay, the answer is 703. Complete G. Next H. Okay, MC11. We know that M is the symbol of 1000. Okay, M is the symbol of 1000, C is the symbol of 100 and D is the symbol of 2. M is the symbol of 1000, C is the symbol of 100 and last is 2. Then add the numbers 1000 plus 100 plus 2. Answer is 1102. The answer is 1102. Okay, complete H. Write down A to H questions with these answers in your fair notebook, and the remaining question after H do yourself with the help of these solution. Okay, complete question number 2. Next question 3, we will start our next class. Thank you.